Mighty Idolers, your 15 minutes starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. May I request Kanisa to please lead us to prayer? Amen. And good afternoon, my dear students. How are you today? I can't hear you. Say it again. Good afternoon, my dear students. Okay. Good afternoon and magandang Jensen. Now, before we start our day today, let us try to check your attendance first. All you need to do is to look around your eyes to the left and to the right. Let us see, let us check who is missing from our side. Did you spot an absent friend from our class today? That's great because no one is absent from our class today. Now can you give yourself a damian grr clap? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Damian grr. Okay? Grr. Okay? Grr. Okay, now before you take your seats, can you please shake your hands upward, sideward, downward, and pick up trashes of papers under your chairs. Okay, but before we forgot, let us remember our classroom rules. Okay, what are our classroom rules? Yes, Rohaima? Okay, be like Dora, discipline yourself, and when teacher says water falls, we must observe silence, like shh, and we must respect everyone, especially the older one, and we must ask politely. We must raise our hand if we want to speak or we want to answer. Is that clear? Okay, that's great. Now can you please bring out your assignments that I gave you yesterday? Okay. Who can share their answers to your class? Okay. What did I give you yesterday? I gave you that you must list down 3 things of examples of visual representations that you can find on your book. Yes, Roselle, can you share your answer to the class? Okay, Roselle said that pictures, illustrations, and graphs are examples of visual representations that found on your book. What else? Who can share their answers to the class? Yes, Paul? Okay, that's great, Paul. Paul said timeline, diagram, and map. Okay, I can see that all of you have done their assignments. Now, can you please pass it forward? Thank you very much. Okay, who can still remember our lesson yesterday? Yes, Ludwig? Okay, that's great, Ludwig. Okay, that's right. Our lesson yesterday was all about real and man-made images. Now, who can define what is real and man-made images? Yes, Ronald? Okay, that's right, Ronald. Ronald said that real images are images that exist in nature and is not created by human. How about man-made images? Yes, Princess? That's right, Princess. Princess said that man-made images are illustrations that are made by humans. Now, can you state an example of real and man-made images? Yes, Jamaica. What are those? Okay, Jamaica said that the examples of real images are trees. What else can you share? Yes, Ronald. Okay, trees, oceans, and animals. How about man-made images? Yes, Nelisa? I think Nelisa is whispering something. That's right, Nelisa. Examples of man-made images are houses, cars, and telephones. Now, very good because you have remembered our lesson yesterday. Okay, but I think everyone feels sleepy tonight. Do you want to meet my friend Dora?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Do you want to meet my friend Dora?
Yes.
Okay. For you to be able to meet Dora, you must call her name 3 times. You must say Dora. Is that understood?
Yes.
Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dora, Dora, Dora.
I think Dora can't hear you.
Dora, Dora, Dora. Wala mo na, wala na kunin.
Okay, now I have with me my backpack. By the way, hola, soy Dora. Now, I have here my backpack. And inside my backpack is a 4 pics, 1 word. Now, I will pass the bag and whoever stops it, by the way, I will play a music and wherever the bag stops, that person or that student will answer what is inside the bag. Are you ready? I can hear you. Say it again. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, that's great. Okay, the bag is passing. Yes. Okay, the bag stops here. Like, can you please get the paper inside? Okay. The picture says, okay, you hold the paper. And what does the picture state? What is the picture all about?
It's all about drawing.
Drawing. Let us check now. What can you say about the picture? Okay, what does the first picture depicts or tells? It is all about drawing. So Miss May is correct. Now can you please give her a Damian girl clap? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Damian girl. Okay.
Dangler!
Okay. Okay. Now it's time for us to say goodbye to Dora and meet again our teacher. Okay, seems like we are ready to start our class now. But before we proceed, let us read our objectives.
Wow!
Okay, at the end of the lesson, the students or the learners must be able to identify different types of graphics. And also later on, you will create a simple graphic presentation to communicate ideas and express positive attitude towards creativity by contributing original ideas about graphic presentation. Okay, now, do you want to play?
Yes!
Okay, now I will divide the class into 4 groups. The first group will start at Jamaica and it will end at Kanisa. Second group will start at Darmain and end with Karen. And third group will start with Princess and end with Jasper. And the last group will start at Marian and will end at Reina. Is that clear?
Yes!
Okay. Now for the group 1, we have photo dump. Now for the photo dump, the direction will be group the chosen category of given photos, then share and tell it to the class. And for the group 2, collaborative drawing. You will do, everyone from the group will contribute anything on the blank paper, then share and tell it to the class. And for the group 3, graph making, and for the group 4, story illustration. Now I will only give you 5 minutes to do your activity. Is that clear?
Yes!
Now your 5 minutes is going. 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Are you done? Okay, let us try to check your answer. Now for the group 1, did the group 1 categorize the given photos? What does the first category shows? Okay, it is fruits. How about the second category? Vegetables. That's great. Now for the group 4, did they look for a story and create an illustration? Okay, that's great because everyone has done their activity. Now, for today, we will be tackling the different kinds of graphics. Okay. Now, there are multimedia images that are non-text information. So we can see today that there are some lessons or informations that needs graphics, images, and illustrations. Now, example of those, pictures produced using camera. What are those? Okay, photographs, that's correct. How about created by making lines and marks? Yes, Karen. Okay, graphics, that's great. How about shows how two or more informations are related with each other? Illustration, that's correct. How about okay, now I will be grouping you again with the same group and I will give you time to prepare. All you need to do is to create a creative presentation that shows visual representation. And you will present it inside this TV box. You will perform it inside here. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now I have here some rubrics for you to be guided by our activity. Now, we have 20 points for accuracy, creativity 20 points, originality 20 points, presentation 20 points, collaboration 20 points, with a total of 100 points. Now, I will give you 10 minutes to do your activity. Okay, your 10 minutes starts now. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, and your 10 minutes is up now. Are you ready to prepare to present? Okay, for the group 1, okay, the group 1 is presenting their work. Okay, for the group 2, okay, for the group 3, that's great. Now let us proceed to the group 4. Okay, now all of you have presented your work well. Now all of you will get 100 points. Can you give yourself a Damyongri clap? Okay, 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3. Damyongri.
Okay,
Ongger.
okay,
Ongger. Okay.
okay. Now I have here a question for you to answer. I have here the map. Now, what are the creative ideas you shared on your previous activity? Okay, it is clear that you have shown creative visual presentations through what? Through graphics, through images, and illustrations. Now, what did you feel after creating it? Did you feel happy?
Yes.
Okay. I think everyone is sleeping. Can you shake your hands upward? Shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Put your hands down. Okay. Is it important to have creativity, especially in contributing to original ideas when creating a graphic presentation? Yes or no? Yes, that's right. Now I have something prepared here for you to assess if you have really learned something. Okay, I have here test 1 and test 2. Now for the test 1, you will identify the types of graphic stated here. And for the test 2, identify what type of graphics are being given. Now are you ready to answer? Okay, now for the first item, what do you think are pictures produced using a camera? Raise your hand. Yes? Yes, Ruhaima. It is photograph. That's great. Now, how about for the item number 4? Used to accompany text. Yes, Reina? Okay, Reina is right. It is illustration. That's great. Now, for the test 2, identify what type of graphics are being given. A photo of a puppy. What type of graphics is a photo of puppy? It is photograph. Now for the 4th item, an illustration of a story. It is all about illustration. That's great because you have really learned something from our class. Now for your assignment, I have with me here the map again. Okay, for a while. For your assignment or agreement, read on your book pages 16 to 20.
Thank you, House of Ano pa,
Our second contender, the House
Wala niya nagkuhan katong si, monkey. Okay lang.